I'm organizing things today because I have just gotten tired of all of the stuff accumulating and not having space to put stuff. So stuff is being
look at that empty drawer.
Stuff is being organized and gotten rid of to the donate pile.
So while you're going through clothes, I have the unenviable task of replacing a battery.
You don't need my help for that.
You'll probably hear me.
Okay. Alrighty, I should be out soon. I've almost done with all the kids and I'm gonna do my stuff, so.
But Tara's clothes are much bigger.
She has almost adult size clothes.
Yeah,
so yes.
she needs more room.
She needed more room.
So now she has more room.
Yay!
Yay!
Alrighty.
Y'all are watching Avengers, one of them? Age of Ultron?
So. Yeah, Age of Ultron.
Alrighty, I'm gonna go out and curse at a battery. Because it was playing. I paused it for the video. I know Captain America when I see him. See, look at Cap hanging on buses and trucks and stuff. Yeah, okay. Alright, I'm gonna go curse at a battery. Okay. Got my new battery, got my gloves, got my wrench, all my other tools. If you guys have never seen the hood on a gas Class A, it's basically this shape right here. I've already unlocked it. It just has two little keys, one there, one on the other side, and then it just kind of goes out and down like that. This is all the room I have. First of all, yes, I know that is extremely low. I don't know where the cap is, so I have a new cap and I have a bottle of stuff to put back in there, so I'm going to do that in a minute. But there's the battery. It's down underneath things. The strap is good. Strap holds it in place. So basically I'm going to turn the converter off so there's no power coming back into this. I'm going to unhook these and then somehow get that out of that tray up through this area here and then out through this area here. Luckily the new one has a handle. It might be easier putting it back in. There's going to be some cursing, so I'm just going to put this on time lapse and we'll see how it goes. Whew, okay, that was fun. My friend Ryan helped me. That was nice. It was needed the extra hand for the what was I doing? Battery. Let's check the meter. Chassis 0. There we go. I had the disconnect on. So now it's at 12.8, 13. Okay, seems to be holding there, 13.1. All right, let's see if she starts up. That looks happier already. Yay! It started up. Yeah, so last time when I was putting the key in, the gauges were just going, and this time it just went like normal.
So yay, it was the battery. Good job.
All right, and we have coolant and a new cap. Did I tell you about that?
No.
Oh, the coolant reservoir cap was missing.
Oh.
So I've driven this for 4,000 miles with that just evaporating.
That's lovely.
Yeah, so that's fixed.
Excellent. I'm so glad that Ryan was here to help you.
Took almost a full gallon of coolant mix.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, but yeah, Ryan was a big help. So our friend Ryan McCone from Party of Six, also a road runner. Yeah, needed extra. Also a full-time family. They've only been on the road for about a month, I think. They're here next to us. Our kids are loving it because they're a Party of Six because they have 4 kids. So our kids are loving that. Okay, so I just need to get this stuff shut down, put my tools away, and then we'll be on to the next project.
Aye.
Alrighty, lunch break's over.
Yeah, we need to work outside.
We do. Woo! Yeah. Alright, so you've got
a bag and a half of clothes that don't fit or we haven't worn since we've moved here. I get my working hair up, sorry.
I'm done with the battery and the coolant.
Awesome.
Fiddled around with bike stuff. We haven't talked about bikes.
Should we show them what
Let's
we've
go
done
talk
with the
about
bikes?
bikes.
Do it.
Yeah, okay. All right, so we're not towing the car much at all.
Not here, no. And
so
when we go places for Thanksgiving and Christmas, we're not taking the car either.
yeah, so I took the car stuff off the back and got a bike rack.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it's hot over here.
Woo!
Yeah, so we got a bike rack.
Yes.
Got Tara a new bike. Got Ben a $6 bike.
$6 bike at, yeah, the
at a Goodwill.
thrift store, yeah.
And then Brooke's bike we've had for a while. So Aaron and I are going to find bikes, and all three will go on here. It's just like a hitch mount. I like it. I'll put a link to it in the description. I think it's a pretty good mount.
We haven't used it yet though, so
no, we
we'll
haven't
see.
driven with it yet.
Right, and
yeah.
I travel behind, so
so if anything falls
I'll be
off,
able to,
it'll hit you.
it'll hit
You'll
me,
call
great.
me.
Right.
Yep, it'll be good.
It'll be great.
It'll be fine. Yeah. No, I've got. It'll all be strapped and attached.
Yeah.
And, yeah.
We'll show you guys when we head out for
Yep.
our Thanksgiving trip.
Yeah. So the plan for now.
Not doing a podcast, are we?
We're doing a YouTube video.
Oh, I'll shut up. I'm sorry.
No, you're fine. You're fine.
So the plan for now is bays.
Bays, yeah. We need to
Bays.
open the bays.
Let's talk about our bays.
Hold on. Just,
What, you mean the dog poop?
yeah.
Well, it's in the video now, so it's too late.
Okay.
Yeah. No, we walk the dog, he poops, we pick it up, we put it there, and when we take trash,
Like we'll
We
do
throw
in
it
a
away.
little bit. We'll throw it away.
because what are we?
Trashy folk.
Trashy folk, yeah. All right, so bays. We have 1, 2, 3, not a
12,
bay,
40,
4, 5. So we
16.
have 5 on this side.
Yes.
And we call them
Bays.
bay 1, bay 2, bay 3, not a bay, bay 4, bay 5.
I didn't realize that was a not a bay.
Yeah, well, it's the...
I never get anything out of the way. You say the bay, you say the last bay.
yeah, so this one is not
I know,
a bay
it's not.
because it's just a
Where the
propane
propane
tank.
is.
So we can't store anything in there, obviously, so not a bay. So we're basically going to open these and completely empty them out.
Yes.
Get rid of things we don't need,
Mm-hmm.
and then put things back in a more logical order.
Yes.
And that's going to be way more important back there because
Yeah.
I just have tools and stuff
Yeah.
hanging out back there. So
This one is. You
this
can't
one
use the top.
we've emptied out. Yeah, this one. So yeah, all the fuses and the inverter is here. All sorts of stuff up here. We can't use that space.
Right.
So then down there is outdoor stuff, which we have been
We
taking in
have
and
to
out.
move this stuff often. Oh no! I moved this when it
Oh,
was
you
wet.
put it away soaking wet.
My boat put this over
Hey,
here.
this is the time when Aaron would be yelling at me if I had put it away wet.
I'm gonna go and put this out over here and dry out a little bit.
Wow. Ugh.
Okay, it's fine. It'll dry out fast.
It'll dry out.
Every time I think that the kids are done playing with these, like this RV or horse trailer in the car, like the next day they play with it for like a
But
few
if
hours.
we make it disappear right
yeah,
now,
but no, because they play with it.
I think that bay is mostly okay. There's some stuff on the right side because that's also this mat that we're standing on here. That's also where the mat goes. It
Yeah, so
folds
stuff
up and
gets
goes in the
cleaned
corner
out.
there under the helmets and stuff. So that bay is really not that bad. That one's not on my list.
No, it's not, and that's where their helmets are. Our kids always wear helmets when they ride their bikes, so
Yeah.
they have to take up space.
And then
That's
dog
just what they do.
bags and just buckets and yeah. So that one's fine.
Okay.
That one's fine. This one
This one
is
is
not.
terrible.
This is bay 2.
This bay is awful.
I would call this our primary bay, which has turned into a mess. So I'm gonna set the camera up. And we're just gonna empty that sucker out.
Let's do it.
All right. If you've been around a while, you've seen those before. My brother made those for us for Christmas 2 years ago.
Yep.
2 years ago. My brother knows we live in an RV. I'm not sure. Awesome gift, by the way. Personalized. He made them himself. We were very grateful to get them. They're very large and very heavy. Neither of those things are conducive to RV living. So what's a better way to use this bag?
I'm gonna put the chairs and stuff in there.
I like the idea of the chairs in there so they'll stop getting sand and dirt and stuff
All over
onto the Blackstone.
Yeah.
I haven't been grilling much because it's a pain in the butt to get everything out from on top of it.
Yeah.
You know, like if
Which
you have
is
to
sad.
empty a bay out to get the grill out, you're not going to use the grill.
Mm-mm. We used it a lot when it was just in the outdoor
Yeah,
kitchen.
when it was in the
super easy to get
in
out.
the travel trailer we were in, we didn't use the outside kitchen, but we kept the Blackstone on the countertop in there. I could just grab it, pull it up, and use it. I used it all the time. So I'd like to not have it be a pain to get in and out. So if we can just keep light stuff on there, like I'm thinking the extra paper towels.
Yeah.
That's about it.
Yeah.
The pool bag, when the pool bag's like ready to go, it can go in there on top of it because it's easy to just pull a bag out.
Okay.
All the chairs, it's just like all the chairs and the table. And just,
I
oh
agree.
my gosh.
Well, and all the chairs can fit there.
Yeah. So we have all this space here. That one of the slides comes in there, but there's space underneath it. The problem with in here was not how much space there is this way. It's this lip to up there. The angle that you have to like slide things in, it was the cornhole boards were hitting the center support when I was trying to angle them in to slide them up. We can try it again. Maybe it'll be easier with two people.
Okay.
Because I was trying it just by myself. Well, the light has changed a bit.
The light has changed and it is hot.
It is.
It is so hot now.
We've been
busy.
2 hours since we recorded, 2.5
Yeah.
hours. The base, okay, so from here,
They don't look like much change.
it doesn't
but
look
from
like
down
anything has
here it
changed.
does.
Yeah, so we have all sorts of trash in the back of the car.
We have all sorts of donate in the van.
Yep. So really, this over here, nothing is really different here except all of the chairs and stuff aren't on top. So I'll be able to get that in and out without much hassle. And then all of the chairs are here and here. Laundry stuff, because I do laundry once a week. And we got both of the big cornhole boards in there. So everything's it just fits better.
Yeah.
When you get rid of junk, things fit better.
Well, and we got rid of a bunch of stuff, and then our very nice neighbor said, I have some toys because my boys have grown out of them. And so now Ben has
It's
a
just cars.
bucket full of cars, but they're going to stay outside for him to play with. And
But he loves cars.
And we got a bunch of like arts and crafts stuff to take with us for Thanksgiving next week, so that's going to be nice too.
Yep.
And we can share with our friends.
Yeah.
So
we're
that
gonna
was
wrap it up.
kind.
We're gonna wrap it up for today.
Yeah.
So more cleaning tomorrow, but that's it for this video.
Yeah. We'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Check us out on Discord, 5togo.com/Discord. If you're interested in our Patreon and becoming a Roadrunner, you can always check that out. That's 5togo.com/Roadrunners, right?
Yeah.
And yeah, we'll see you in the next video.
Alrighty.
Bye guys.